Ready? All right, YouTube friends, we're back at it again on the Majek. We've already laid down our 1.5 ounces. This is our first layer. Sort of like we did on the video with this front piece here. We're just continuing back towards the back. Got Candace in here tonight to help me. She's got her roller, which is a huge help on something this big. Got a 1.5 gallons of resin mix, and we're gonna go ahead and laminate this next piece of 1.5 ounces woven down for you, just so you can see how it goes. All right, so I got my witness marks from my paper, or my mat, excuse me. We're gonna fold it back 50% here, and I'm gonna wet this. Let's go ahead and mix our catalyst. This is, I didn't explain, I use MEKP 925. They make a 925 and a 925H. This is 925, which is a medium speed. It's about 75 degrees tonight here, so it's a little cooler. But it gives you about 25 minutes setup time before it gets hard. And real good catalyst, and it actually finishes this polyester resin. It makes it catalyze very well. You won't have sticky on top. And when you go to sand, it sands really good. 1.5 gallons, we're gonna put 40 cc's in, we're gonna mix it and go. Mix it up real good. You don't want to have a short mix and have places set up and some places not set up. Man, you talk about ruining a job. You have to go back and grind it all out and cut it, and it makes a big mess. Just do it right the first time, you won't have no problems. All right, it looks good. I can tell my resin's catalyzed. I can see the color of it has changed. It got darker. Let's get to rolling. Remember, we want to lay this stuff on as wet. Gives you good wet out on the finish. You roll this stuff on dry, you won't get a real good lamination. This is one of the situations when the wetter the better. Okay, that looks good. Right there. You want to grab that edge for me? Sure. Just lay this down gently, watch for wrinkles. And then we'll just tuck it in the corners. And we'll roll it over, sticking it down just like that. No wrinkles. Now let's wet this out. And then we'll do the other side. Candace is going to tuck in the corners nice and tight. She's going to roll out any heavy other resin that's kind of gooed up in other spots. Get it around this rigging tube. Looking really good. Real good wet out like we like to see here. Let me get those sides, okay? Watch your shirt on the sides here. You don't get goo all over your shirt.
Okay, I'll stay with you if you want. Let you do that real quick.
Alright guys, it turned out real good. Wet, not real nice. And it sure is a lot better having a helper here to help me roll. Alright, she's gonna roll that, and I'm gonna move this side up over here. And we're just gonna repeat what we just did. Same thing over here, just nice, smooth, easy rolls. Get around all your ports, all your rigging tubes real well. Baby, we need to come around this side over here. Alright, come around this side and set this up. Alright, we're gonna pull this guy, lay him over, keep it tight, that way you don't get no wrinkles in the middle. Tab in your edges. Stick your flats, no wrinkles, everything looks good. Roll your edges over, flatten them out. There you go. We're almost there, guys. Looks real good. So much easier with a helper. I'm not putting a lot of pressure, down pressure. Just enough to get that resin to push in the mat. Don't worry about all that. I can tab all that later.
Okay.
Yeah, watch yourself. Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
It's looking good. I don't see.
No, this stuff looks good either.
Cool.
Good on you, buddy.
Come on, baby.
All right.
There you go. You got that one.
Okay. You can work your edges.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that's it. It is set. Rolled in nice and tight. All right, I'm gonna go clean all this stuff up. And Miss Candace's gonna finish rolling. Look for any little dry spots. Have a little extra resin left.
I could use just a hair right here on this edge. But I'm still seeing white really rolling.
Where?
Right here, just on the edge. There you go. Perfect. Thanks, Greg.
Boy, we mixed our resin just right.
Good.
Stuff smells great, don't it?
Yeah. Oddly.
Boy, you made this job so much more easier.
Man, I like doing this with you.
Yeah, guys, this turned out real good. I cannot thank Candace enough for helping me with this. It makes these jobs go so much better.
Fun job, huh?
Yeah, we knocked this one out of the park quick. So the next thing we're gonna do is, just like here, we're gonna go on further back till we hit the transom, and that'll be in another video. We'll add that in, and then we'll glass up the back of the transom. We'll put the tops on. That's in another video. So, but all right, guys, we're gonna clean up. Thank you for watching us put this floor down. If you would, please like and subscribe. If you look down in the bottom corner of the screen, there's a little American flag. You can click on that, and that'll let you subscribe to my channel. I see I get a lot of viewers that don't get many subscribers, and I really like the subscribers. I know it helps us, and the YouTube sees that. It makes us think we're doing a good job. And hit the bell. As soon as you hit the bell, it means when I put a new video out, you'll see that I put a new video out. I really appreciate your support, guys. I love the comment, ask any questions. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer. And we're going to do the next video shortly, and thank you very much.